Hi guys, this is Serva. In today's video, we will see how to create photo collage using Canva. For those who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphic designing tool and it is free. Canva.com is the website for reference. Let's go guys. Let's go to Canva.com. You need to have an account to use this. If you don't have an account, please do sign up and log in. I have already logged in. So now we will create photo collage, right? So we will go to create a design and we will come down and look for photo collage. So it's here, right? So I have clicked on photo collage. So you will land in this particular page. Canva has got pre-made collages available on the left hand side. So based on the occasion you have, you can pick up any of them and customize, or you can just take a simple plain template as we have got on the right hand side, and you can make changes, change color, upload photos and do your own collage, right? So let us see the categories we have at the top. So we have collage, birthday, graduation, then photo collage, school, wedding, travel, summer, nature, food, right? Love, heart, family, mood board. There are plenty, right? Green, fashion, baby, beach, pink, kids, mood board, Polaroid, black, blue, vision board, vintage, flowers, thank you, music and business, right? So probably we can click on thank you and see what we have got, right? So there are a lot of thank you notes, right? Thank you for 300k subscribers. It's a very simple one. This may be useful for people who have got YouTube channels, right? So if you want to thank someone for the subscription they have made, that's fine. And if you want to say a simple thank you and a happy Father's Day, you can do, right? So my friends forever, just thanking the friends and family. On a Mother's Day, just to say thank you to a mom. So thank you for the memories. It can be with anyone you love, you like. So there are plenty of ready-made available collages. So let me pick up all my best friends, right? So thank you for accompanying me through hard and happy times, right? So we can pick this up and make some changes, okay, right? This is basically with your friends, right? So if you look at this, all the text and each picture is editable and we can change them, and even the background color can be changed, and also this text is editable, right? So thank you for accompanying me through hard and happy times, right? So I'm going to change this to thank you dear friends for whatever you did and whatever you did not do, right? So this is my favorite line. So I will write this like this, and I will just increase the size a little bit. Let the thank you word be slightly bigger than what it was, right? So I'm keeping it here, all to all my best friends too, yeah. So to dear friends, right? I'm just changing. So we can add some heart symbols. If you want to add that, you can go to photo and say search for heart. So you'll get a few. So if you want to add something, you can just add. You can reduce the size. You can keep one here and you can make another one. Okay, so you can just keep it here and reduce the size. This one also, you can reduce the size a bit. Right, let it be. So that's fine. Slightly smaller. Okay, fine, let's leave it there. That's okay. Then you can change these pics one by one with whatever the pictures you like. So I'm going to put some sample pictures. However, you can add your own pics. So I'm going to photos on the left hand side and I will search for friends. So we get plenty of photos. So we will pick a couple of them and make changes and see how it comes. So I'm clicking on this one has to come to the right. What I'm going to do is I have reduced the size, and what I will do is I will remove this guy and I will place this photo here, and it fits in. You can see it automatically rotated and fit into the frame that was already existing. So now I'm going to remove this photograph and add these two girls' photos, right? So let's see how it comes. So it has come like this, and yeah, so let us fit into this one, right? You can see that it twisted and it automatically adjusted, right? So the next one, I am deleting this and I'm adding this one, correct? So yeah, so I'm reducing the size. This is a very interesting feature of Canva, right? You don't have to take too much of effort, to adjust the shape, size and stuff like that. It automatically fits in. This is really something interesting. So I'm going to fit this in the center. You saw that one, right? It went in and fit in. So I'm deleting the next one. Let us put these two girls photograph here, right? So you could see that, right? The size was bigger. When I moved that photo to that particular frame, it automatically got fit into that particular frame's size. Interesting, right? So I will remove this guy and let us put some. Okay, this one is interesting. So let me click on this and I'm just reducing the size. I'm moving to the right. Yeah, it got fit. Done, guys. It's really nice, right? So now to my friends with the two love symbols, heart symbols, and there a few photographs. And thank you, dear friends, for whatever you did and whatever you did not do. This is lovely, nice, isn't it? Right. Now, when you want to save this guy, you can save by clicking save. And if you want to download, you can go to download, and on the right hand side you have several file types like JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video and GIF. The PNG is suggested, so I will go with that and I'm clicking on download. Right, so it is getting downloaded. You can see it's getting downloaded, and when you click on that, it opens like this, right? Very nice photo collage, right? Good. You can give this as a gift to your friends. It will be a wonderful memory, right? Okay. On top of this, Canva gives a few more options for us to play around. If you see on the left hand side, there is an option called styles. When you click on the styles, a few styles will open. What does this mean is when you click and select any of the style, the font type, font color and the colors of the background in the picture will be changed as per the style. So let us try a few of them, right? Right now on the right hand side you are seeing the color, right? A heart and the background color and the collage, etc. So let me click on hammers. Wow, now you can see that one, how it has changed. The background color, the font and everything has changed, right? So instead of changing the font and style and size and color of the background, all are built in to the styles, and whatever you like, after trying a few styles you can choose, right? So this is hammers. So let us try antenna. I'm clicking on style antenna. So now it has come like that, right guys? So let me click on Moody Black. So see, the background has changed. It has become a bit light. Let us click on Ogre, right? Let us see how it's changing. Wow. Okay, right? So you can try, guys, whatever style you want to save and send it to your friends, you can do. And as we saw earlier, you can go and click on save. It is getting saved in Canva folder, and when you want to download, you simply click on download and press the download button here and you are done. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please share your comments and please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon if you want to get notification whenever I share my video. Please let me know any topic you would like me to make a video for you guys. This is Serva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.